Hello students, let's move for the third sum in the exercise 9.1. A contractor plans to install the two slides for the children to play in a park. For the for the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle 30 degree to the ground, whereas for the elder children she want to have a sleep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree from the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each cases? Okay, try to understand the sum. Actually, don't think it is a big sum, I can't able to solve like that. It is very easy. A contractor ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾರು ಬಂಡಿಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೂ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ನ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಏಜ್ 5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೋಲ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಈ ಸೈಡು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಬಿಲೋ ಏಜ್ 5 ಇಯರ್ಸು. ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ above age 5 years they are installed. She prefers to have a slide whose top at the height of 1.5 meter. ಈ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ 1.5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಅನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 30 degree. ಓಕೆ, and whereas the for elder children she wants to steep a slide at a height of 3 meter. ಆ 1.5 ಇಂದ 3 ಮೀಟರಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ at an angle of 60 degree. So want to find out what should be the length of the slide in each cases. I mean, if she installed below 1.5 height, what should be the length of the slide? And here if she installed at the height of 3 meter, what should be the length of the slide? I mean, this thing and this thing we want to identify. Hope you will understand the sum. So let us solve that. So first we have to take the 30 degree. This is a 30 degree. So if this is a 30 degree, here I have separating, may you are getting confusions, so for that sake, okay, this is a 30 degree. If this is a 30 degree, if you are taken this D, what I have wrote here in the same way, DEB. So if this is a theta, so that opposite is opposite and it is a hypotenuse, and this is a adjacent. Okay, we require this, right? Okay, and they has given a opposite, that is 1.5 meter, right, at a height. Okay, so for this hypotenuse we required, no, so opposite they has provided hypotenuse O by H we can take, nothing but it is sine 30. Sin theta equal to y by h we can take, nothing but sin 30 equal to, so O how much here, 1.5, and hypotenuse we don't know, let's write as it is, that is the DER we can take. And sin 30 value is 1 by 2 equal to 1.5 divided by ED. So if we do the cross multiplication, ED into 1 is itself, it is a ED, and 1.5 into 2, so that is 3.0, nothing but 3 meter. Okay, ED is the 3 meter. So this is the length of the slide for the height of 1.5 meter children. Okay, so let us take, right, length of the slide for younger children. Younger means chick maklu. Younger children is 3 meter. So that thing we solved. Next we have to take another one for the elder. So let us write the diagram as usual by separating like that. So this is the slide of elder A, B, C. So this height will be, this is 1.5, no, and this height will be, that is the 3 meter. And this theta will be here, that is the 60 degree angle has given. So this opposite, it is a opposite and it is a hypotenuse, here it is a adjacent. So we want to find out this thing also. Here also we can take sine, because opposite is there, that hypotenuse we want to find out, no, so that's why we can take sine 60 directly. Sin theta nothing but theta is 60 degree, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Sin 60 is value is, we know that sin 30 value is 1 by 2, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, equal to the opposite is 3 and hypotenuse we don't know, write as it is or write aside, that is the AC. So if we do the cross multiplication, root 3 into AC equal to 3 2s are, or we can write 3 into 2 like that for to cancel easy. So AC equal to 3 into 2 divided by root 3. So this root 3 we can write as this 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3 only, because root 3 into root 3 itself it is 3, we know that root get cancelled, itself it is 3, I mean root 9 it will become, square root of 9 is root 3, we can write that into 2 divided by root 3. So 1 root 3 get cancelled, the remaining is 2 root 3 meter. In another way we can do like that, okay, because root 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3, the value never change, root get cancelled, or it will become root 9, square root of root 9 is 3 only, okay. So that's why the value doesn't change, we can write 3 as root 3 into root 3, concentrate on that, okay. AC is 2 root 3. So the length of the, even in the yesterday what I did the sum, in that also you can continue further, okay. Length of slide for elder children, it is elder children, that is 2 root 3 meter. So this is the answer, hope you will understand. Let's move for the fourth one. This is the fourth sum. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower is 30 degree, find the height of the tower, okay. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower, consider this is a top of the tower from a point from the ground which is 30 meter from this, so this is should be from the 30 meter from the ground, it is, tower is 30 degree, this tower will be 30 degree, find the height of the tower, I mean this height we want to find out, keep in a mind, okay. Ground distance they has given and how much the angle they has given, this height of the tower we want to find out. So as usual here it will be the 30 degree, that opposite it is the opposite, this is a hypotenuse we know and this is a adjacent, okay. So yes, we want to find out the height of the tower, I mean BC we want to find out, no, this thing we want to find out, okay. So let us take but adjacent has given, so this thing only I have I told you to concentrate, when the opposite and the adjacent which one we can take, that is nothing but the tan 30, formula is O divided by adjacent. So we know the value of tan 30 equal to 1 divided by root 3 and opposite is, it is the BC, because that thing only we want to find out here, and hypotenuse adjacent is 30, okay. If we do the cross multiplication we will get root 3 BC equal to, so 30 BC equal to 30 divided by root 3, okay. So this 30 we can write as 3 into 10 divided by root 3. So in the same way this 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3, to cancel this root 3 in the denominator, root 3 into root 3 nothing but 3 only, divided by root 3, root 3 get cancelled. So BC equal to 10 root 3 meter, or if it is given in a centimeter it should be in centimeter, but it is meter. The height, this height will be the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter, okay. Yes, hope you will understand this. Next we have to move for the next one, fifth one. A kite flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the ground assuming that there is no slack in the string. Okay, there is no slack in the string. Yes, let us understand. A kite is flying at the height of 60 meter. So here the kite is flying. Kite in the sense ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ground in the 60 meter above. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied at a point on the ground. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಾರವನ್ನು. The inclination of the string with the ground is this inclination, I mean angle is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. Okay, this length we want to find out. I mean length of the string, where the question mark is there, that thing we want to find out. So theta opposite, that is the opposite, and it is a hypotenuse, and this is a adjacent. I told you already. So we want to find out the length of the string. No, this thing. So hypotenuse O is there. Which one we want to take? You already know that O by H, that is the sine. Which degree it is? 30 not, it is a 60. Sine 60 equal to O divided by H. We know the value of sine 60, that is root 3 divided by 2, and O in the sense opposite, that is the 60 divided by hypotenuse. So if we do the cross multiplication, root 3 into H equal to 60 into 2. Okay, then H, hypotenuse side you have to write better, it is AC. Okay, AC. So that AC equal to what happened here? 60 into 2 divided by root 3, nothing but the 120. 60 into 2, 120 divided by root 3. So this 120 we can write as 40 into 3 or 3 into 40. To cancel this root 3, I have taken 3 here. 3 into 40 divided by root 3. So this 3 again we can write as root 3 into root 3. So just we have to take out 3, then it is easy. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 120 we can write. No, value never change. Even this 3 also we can write as root 3 into root 3. Value never change. Into 40 divided by root 3. This sake only I did to cancel that, that's all. So 40 into root 3, AC equal 40 into root 3 meter. So this is the length of the string. Write down length of the string, ದಾರದ ಉದ್ದ 40 root 3 meter. That's all. Hope you will understand this. Let's move for the next sum, that is the 6th sum here in the same exercise. Let's read the sum. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at same distance from 30 meter tall building. 1.5 meter tall boy ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಉದ್ದ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1.5 ಮೀಟರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ? ಅವನು 1.5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಉದ್ದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟಾಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, 30 ಮೀಟರ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನ. ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಐಸ್ ಟು ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆನ್ ಈ ಗೋಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದಂಗೆ ಅದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಂಗೆ ಅದು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 30 to 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂತು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಈ ವಾಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ವಾಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು find out. Total distance in the sense now boy is here. Okay, so we want to find out this thing, I mean P dash. So here 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at a distance and looking. AR is the tall building. okay, 30 meter of a building. The angle of elevation of his looking is 30 degree. ಅವ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವ್ನು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಅದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ವಾಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಪಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅವನ ಹೈಟು 1.5 ಮೀಟರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 30 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So if it is a 30 degree here, 30 degree, so this is a opposite and this is a hypotenuse and this is a adjacent. Even here also, if it is a 60 degree, this is a opposite, this is hypotenuse and this is, okay. So we can take this thing or want to find out now we are. So we can take tan 30, adjacent we want to find out, no? So that's why we can take tan 30. So because first angle will be the 30 degree, tan 30 equals what happen here? Tan 30, nothing but the opposite divided by adjacent. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and the opposite is, this is the opposite as usual. For the both it is a opposite, right? Okay, opposite, and for this it is a hypotenuse, then it is a adjacent. So opposite will be the this thing only, I mean nothing but AR divided by adjacent in the sense this thing here. So which is that is the PR, because I have already marked, okay. This is a opposite, this is a adjacent, and this is a hypotenuse. Even for the both it is same. So here we can take 1 divided by root 3. So this AR we can write as the height of the boy will be 1.5, no? So this is the height of the boy. This thing you have to take as B, okay, boy height. AR we can take as AB because including his height he is looking that, okay. So that's why we want to take. So AB minus RB we can write. This is a total height. In this, AB is the AR is AR is the height of the building, and this thing BR is the height of the boy. So we can take this thing AB minus AR in the sense AB totalize minus a small, I mean height of the boy, that is the BR, that divided by PR, okay. 1 divided by root 3. So AB they has provided, that is nothing but it is the 30 minus height of the boy is 1.5, that divided by PR, okay. So next we can take 30 minus 1.5, 1 by root 3 equal to 30 minus 1.5, nothing but the 28.5 divided by PR, okay. So if we do the cross multiplication, PR equals to 28.5 into root 3. This is the value of PR. So we can take tan 60 now. Tan 30 we took, tan 60 same formula, O divided by adjacent, I mean opposite divided by adjacent. We know the value of tan 60, that is tan 60 value is its vice versa, that nothing but root 3 equal to the, here also the same, opposite nothing but the AR divided by adjacent, nothing but here it is the here for this only, up to here only, this is the adjacent for all, and this is P dash R. So this is the adjacent for this, keep in mind. And AR we can write as same, that is the AB minus RB divided by P dash R, okay. AB minus RB nothing but we got already, that is the 28.5, we did already, that nothing but P dash R. So if we are separating, or if we do the cross multiplication, root 3 in root 3 P dash R equal to 28.5. So P dash R equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. Root 3. We can write like that. Clear? Okay. Next, if we do the cross multiplication in the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel this and the value never change. No, here this is also one of the method we can do that. So 28.5, if we multiply this, 28.5 into root 3 is 28.5 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, nothing but it is a 3. So from 3 we can cancel, 3 9s are 27 and one remainder 3 5s are. So P dash R equal to 9.5 root 3 meter. So PR is a 28.5 root 3 and 28.5 root 3 meter. Then P dash R is 9.5 root 3 meter. Okay, so this distance will be here. I mean PP dash we required the distance walked by the boy. So that equal to nothing but PP dash we required. For this, the whole distance, that is the PR minus P dash R, this distance. So PR we did already, that is the 28.5 root 3 minus P dash R, now we got now, that is 9.5 root 3. Okay, so if you have taken the numbers root 3 is the same, no, irrational number. 28.5 minus 9.3, we can do directly. 28.5 minus 9.5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 18 minus 9 is 9 and 1 will be there, that is 19. Okay, 19.0 nothing but 19 and root 3 will be there, root 3 meter. So this is the answer. Hope you'll understand, but here you don't want to get confusion. Understand properly, then you will get the correct answer. Thank you.